All right, fifth graders, we're moving into our day 3 phonics lesson. Okay, and our learning target for today is I can understand the meaning and purpose of the suffixes ology, ant, or, and uri. Right, so we're focusing in on those same suffixes you looked at in your automaticity earlier this week. All right, so you will need your English or your language arts notebook and a pencil. Right, and hopefully our diagram here looks familiar. It's called the Fryer model. Okay, it's a way for us to analyze vocabulary. And in this case, we're just looking at a part of a vocabulary or a word part. Okay, so your first box has definition, and you should use at least half the notebook page to draw this. So your boxes are big enough to write in. Right, so you need definition in the upper left, then examples, my examples. Remember, good learners connect to their own life. And then you'll have a drawing that represents this word part, ology. All right, so feel free to pause the video because you will need 4 of these, or excuse me, 5 of these charts, because we're going to take a look at all 5 of these word parts. All right, and once you're ready, we're going to look at some examples. Okay, you have 3 short videos that you will watch to fill in your Fryer model. So we have one made for ology, ant, and then for or. Okay, so that's the first step, is to fill in the Fryer model for those 3 words or word parts. And then the second part is you will find the origins, meaning, and the use of the word parts for and uri, similar to the videos you viewed. So you're going to be making your own slide presentation describing these 2 word parts. Okay, so create a slideshow for your word parts to show their meaning, origins, and how they are used. Okay, be sure to include your Fryer models to represent each word part. Okay, so you can put your Fryer model right in your Google slide for and uri. All right, we'll have a few days, 2 to 3 days to work on this project. So maybe start with the first step for today, which would be to watch these videos and fill in the Fryer model for these 3. And then tomorrow you can move into making the slideshow.